Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making some DIY moss art. So I have been seeing this moss art trend and I have been wanting to make a DIY here on my channel. And I was at Dollar Tree the other day and I happened to see that they had these moss sheets there. So I did pick up a couple and I knew I wanted to use them for a DIY, but I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do. When I was kind of brainstorming different ideas, I remembered that I had this tree slice. I'm not too sure exactly what it's called, but I will leave everything linked down below in case you are interested. But I wanted to find a way to attach the moss sheets onto this wooden slice. So that's what we'll be doing today. And I also picked up these succulents from Dollar Tree as well. I think that that's a steal to get these for just $1 and they look 100% real. So I got two different types, and you will also need some type of glue and some scissors for this DIY as well. Now we are just going to jump right in. So I am first going to lay the moss sheet onto the wood and I'm going to cut it out so that it fits perfectly on the top, but to where you can still see the really cool texture on the side. Once I've cut all of the moss into the shape that I need it, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue that down onto the wood. As you can see, you can easily peel the moss off of the backing. So I'm just going to use these extra pieces to fill in any gaps and kind of disguise the line so you can't tell that it's two sheets put together. This step is also just gonna add a little more texture to the moss so that it's not just all one flat piece. Next up, I'm going to pull the succulents right out of the pot and styrofoam that they come in. There is a point on the end, so you can either cut this bottom piece off with some wire cutters, or what I'm going to do is drill holes directly into the wood where I want the succulent to sit. That way we can glue the succulents right into the holes and they will stay super secure and they're not gonna move at all. Feel free to get super creative with this DIY. You can get different types of wood to apply your moss art to. You can get different types of flowers, succulents. So this is how it ended up coming out. I absolutely love the end result. It looks like a live plant hanging up on the wall. This DIY is perfect for people who can't keep plants alive because it will be green and alive forever. You can either put it as a centerpiece on your table and add some candles on top. You can use it as a little picture display, which I think looks so cute. That's probably how I'm going to use mine. So have fun with this DIY. You can get different types of wood cutouts. So maybe if you wanted to do an initial or a shape or something along those lines, you can put this moss sheet on almost any type of material. You can also put different types of succulents or flowers. You can add different embellishments to it and you can really customize it. You can give it as a gift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.